Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to get 43 squared in seconds. Follow me as I show you the trick. So we take our first digit, which is 4. 4 squared gives us 16. So we can write 16 here. And the next thing is 3. 3 squared gives us 9. 9 can be written as 09 for the sake of our trick. We now take 4 and multiply it by 3 and multiply all by the exponent 2. So we get 4 times 3, which gives us 12, and 12 by the exponent 2, giving us 24. So we can write 24 under this and add the 0 at the end nicely. And now we sum it up. 9 plus 0 is 9, 4 plus 0 is 4, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 1 remains as 1. So 43 squared is 1849. That's a very long time ago. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment your ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.